In this video, we're going to talk about another powerful e-commerce integration you can use with Lifter LMS, and that's by using the free WooCommerce shopping cart system. Now, why do people like WooCommerce? Especially when Lifter LMS has its own fully functional course and membership checkout system, especially if you're just interested in using Stripe and PayPal. Well, some people like WooCommerce because of all the extensions. WooCommerce has been around for quite a long time and has all kinds of extensions, paid extensions, and some free ones that you might be interested in for your shopping cart system. So perhaps you want to use WooCommerce to sell your courses instead of Lifter LMS. And if that's the case, that's okay. We have an integration for that. So if you want to use WooCommerce to sell your Lifter LMS courses and memberships, that's fine. You just need to get whatever it is that you need from WooCommerce. And then you need to go to Lifter LMS and get a copy of the Lifter LMS WooCommerce integration. You can invest in that one by itself, or you could also get access to that by purchasing the Universe bundle. So if we go over here to our dashboard on Lifter LMS, you'll see over here in plugins that we have both WooCommerce and Lifter LMS WooCommerce, the integration, enabled. So how does this work? Well, the way it works is if somebody is looking at a course in Lifter LMS and goes to check out, if it detects that that product or that course is associated with a WooCommerce product, then it's going to take you over to the WooCommerce checkout system. So let's take a quick look at how that works. I'm going to go over here to WooCommerce and products, and I'm going to add a product real quick. So this is going to be my music course, just like we've been experimenting with Lifter LMS. And in this case, I'm just going to give it the same product image that we've been using on the Lifter LMS, and currently this is set to British pounds, but that's okay for this demonstration. I'm going to give it a price of £100. Publish that. And I'm going to go over here to the WooCommerce settings. And I actually am going to just change this up to the United States. And I'm going to put this into US dollars. There we go. I'm just going to update my changes there. So now if we go over to the Lifter LMS side of things, and we go over to integrations, and just scrolling down here, we can see our WooCommerce options here. So we can enable WooCommerce to sell Lifter LMS courses and memberships. We want customers to be enrolled when a WooCommerce order reaches this status. So we're going to go for the completed status. And we want to automatically unenroll a user if a WooCommerce order is refunded, failed, or canceled. Now, another thing that is included in the Lifter LMS WooCommerce integration that came out with the release of Lifter LMS 3.0 is support for the popular WooCommerce extension called subscriptions, which is their way of dealing with recurring payments. Now, bear in mind that Lifter LMS has its own recurring payment engine that you can use with the access plans and something like Stripe or PayPal. But if you want to use WooCommerce and their extensions, like the subscriptions plugin, let's say a recurring payment failed, you would want to potentially unenroll a user from a specific course or membership. So we're going to save changes there. And then we're going to go back over to our courses And we're going to look at this music course. And now in the product options, you'll see the access plans are no longer there, that we need to select a product to associate this course with. And we created that quick test product. So you can see we've updated that to my music course. So now when I go to my music course, you can see that it's available for purchase here. It looks a little different. And this is the WooCommerce checkout system. So I click add to cart, view cart, and I can proceed to checkout. And I haven't yet set up my WooCommerce payment methods, but I could do that. And then this is how you would complete the transaction in WooCommerce. And that's a quick tour on how to use Lifter LMS and WooCommerce together.